ReLIXER is a specially formulated elixir of bio-based oils, leading the industry in asphalt rejuvenation. Recycle and reuse higher levels of reclaimed asphalt in mixes with Sripath Technologies ReLIXER. Our proprietary additive can be safely and easily incorporated into existing plant operations, rapidly penetrating wrap particles and rejuvenating aged asphalt. By replacing aggregate and virgin asphalt with recycled content, our customers realize lower overall costs while also minimizing waste and keeping reclaimed pavement and shingles out of landfills. With ReLIXER, customers average 35 to 60% of wrap in their mixes, with some going as high as 100%. A sustainable solution is the answer. Commercialized in 2015, ReLIXER restores flexibility and damage tolerance, reduces stiffness, and improves compaction and workability. Tested, proven, trusted. Customers worldwide are turning the existing network of Roadways into the next generation of mines and refineries with ReLIXER. As the market leader in wrap rejuvenation technology, Sripath Technologies ReLIXER is the solution to make asphalt better.